take command of the road in the 2013 BMW 328. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine, and for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. All of the premium features expected of a BMW are offered, including delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, power front seats, rain-sensing wipers, and a split folding rear seat. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.